First run. See how she does. Very good. Very good. You're moving. Oh, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. The thing is, you know, how do you react when it happens? For the gear change. Yeah. So probably just a little more gas. There she goes. Get used to it. All right, this is a few minutes later.